In the heart of Europe, a family-owned factory with over 200 years of legacy installed a 20-foot containerized energy storage system. The system they installed, originally from another supplier, faced critical failures. For more than 2 years, it sat idle.
So this container previously was from another contractor, and we had problems with it. And we contacted POWEROAD, and POWEROAD solved this very well in short notice. So now the container is functioning like it should. Although we didn't order first with POWEROAD.
POWEROAD answered the call with a full recovery. POWEROAD's engineers spent 3 days to analyze the system, and our 2 engineers spent around 2 weeks to recover the system. We replaced original BMS with a POWEROAD BMS, and we replaced the control box. We rebuilt the communication between PCS and control box and BMS, and also the connection of BMS with other equipment like firefighting system. And now the system has recovered and connected to grid.
So the main issue with the container was that MBMS, CBMS and ABMS weren't able to communicate with each other. So what POWEROAD did was build all the BMS just for this system. So they adjusted everything. You can see here all the MBMS is POWEROAD now. The CBMS they changed, and then also the ABMS inside they all also changed. So when they did that, they had a bunch of programming to do. They did it all on site here, and the system is working like it should be now.
As we know, storage is a new industry, and there are a lot of a big space to improvement in experience, in system design, in services, and as one of the main purpose of POWEROAD Europe company, we will dramatically enhance our local services, and this is recovery of this kind of dead or sleeping system is one of our services to the market and to our customers. A big part of POWEROAD customers met this kind of problem in the past 8 or 10 years, and POWEROAD will keep providing this kind of service to save more systems.